Amazon gift cards that show already used are usually connected to a redeemed gift card code, an incorrect account, or a problem with the gift card balance information. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why an Amazon gift card says it was already used and what steps to take next. Start by checking your Amazon gift card balance. Sign in to the Amazon account where you want to use the gift card. Then open the gift card balance section to confirm whether the funds are already attached to the account. If the balance is available, the gift card may have already been redeemed successfully. Amazon gift cards are linked to the account where the code was first claimed. Next, check that you are signed into the correct Amazon account. Many people have multiple Amazon accounts using different email addresses, and the gift card balance may be stored on another account. Sign out of Amazon and try signing in with any other account you may have used when redeeming the gift card. If someone else gave you the gift card, ask them whether the code was already redeemed before they sent it to you. A gift card code that has already been added to another account cannot normally be added again. If you purchase the gift card yourself, check your purchase confirmation and receipt. Keep the order details because Amazon support may need proof that the gift card was purchased. If the code was scratched off, damaged, or entered incorrectly, try entering the code again carefully. Check for similar characters like 0 and the letter O, or 1 and the letter I. If Amazon still shows that the gift card was already used and you believe it was not redeemed by you, contact Amazon customer service. Provide the gift card code, purchase receipt, order information, and any error message shown during redemption. Amazon can check the gift card status and investigate the issue. Avoid sharing your gift card code publicly. Anyone with the code may be able to redeem it. If the gift card came from a third-party seller or website, contact that seller as well, because Amazon may need purchase verification from the original source. To recap, check your Amazon balance, verify the correct account, review your receipt, and contact Amazon support if the code was used without your permission. Your next step is to open your Amazon gift card balance page and confirm whether the funds are already attached to your account. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Amazon troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.